Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm Nannakshi Swami, coming up with the Nifty levels based on the India VIX as usual. So India VIX has cooled down to 11.37 from the previous day. 2.4% it has cooled down. Based on that, I've calculated the daily levels as well as the weekly levels. So daily low is the boundary is 22,300. You please mark on your chart so that it will act as guideline for you. And the day, oh, sorry, I have written a wrong thing. Let me change it. Daily, this is high. Daily high to be 22,568. So the market has closed in between this range. The middle of the, almost middle of the range, that is closed around 22,434, that is around 130 points below the high point and 130 points down the high point. So now weekly high to be 22,788. So and weekly low to be 22,080. Suppose in case if it starts, weakness is seen in the Nifty below daily low of 22,300, you can anticipate for the low in the market. At present, the market is positive. We will anticipate for the move to the higher side. Let me go to the daily time frame and show it to you why I am anticipating this. Why we can anticipate the market to go higher. Here, if you see here, this is the way, this is where market had been rejected, and the trend at present still it is higher because it has not gone below the level of, see the close of the market, 22,326. Until market is retained within the 22,326, the trend is intact. The trend, we can consider the trend to be intact. Probably tomorrow, the further high can be seen, and we can see equal high on the market. When it is equal high, there is rejection in the market, and it is rejection, and the market is coming down. Within this close, it is trading. Within the range, you can clearly see 22,300. Only once if it violates the 22,300, then more low can be seen to the level of 22,207. So at present, it is showing positivity in the market, and the trend we are considering, even though there are three, dozy candles, and today's close is a positive close from the open, but though it is making a lower highs, we need to see if there is a candle further like this tomorrow. Suppose if there is a candle, if it starts from here and goes up to this, or it can even come down little bit, and then if it starts moving higher up the trend, it may, this sort of movement you can see in the market. See, this is the swing, and this may act as the swing, and it may continue in this fashion. It can go past the 22,788 or to the level of 23,000, probably. So let us hope to be positive, because at present there is no violation in the trend. Trend is positive. So on the intraday, let me discuss where is the level of support. We will discuss. We'll see where is the level of support. Yes, today it was a gap down, and it was retracement, and it has come down to this level. This is the clip level from where it has broken to the upside, 22,410. Even it can sweep this liquidity. There is possibility. can sweep this liquidity and it can start moving up. Or because it has swept this liquidity, there was an equal low over here, and it has filled this gap. You can see it has filled this gap. Clearly, you can see filling this gap over here. You can see the filling of the gap, and there was you can see a rally which is almost came to the yesterday's, even crossed the yesterday's high briefly and made an high of 22,000, let me point, 521. It has made an high of 22,521. So it appears like a consolidation. It is a consolidation within this range. That's what I discussed on the daily chart. Now we have to wait and see. Let me mark this. What is the path of this structure? This is the path of the structure, and there is a liquidity sweep today, and there is a rally probably if it takes support around this area, around 22,395, then if it starts moving higher, once it crosses this level, this is the crucial level of 22,520. Once it crosses this level, it can go past that level and hit the level of 22,568, which is 140. Let me see. Let me measure the move. 154 points, or even it can go past this level. There is possibility. We need to see, because sometimes the market will play even on the expiry day, it may play on the range. But what I'm seeing is continuously 3 days, it is the range, and there is a liquidity sweep in this area. Probably there may be a positive movement tomorrow on expiry day, and it may cross. Let me see how much it can go. Take the fib tool and measure it. See, let me measure this fib tool. There is a liquidity sweep. Since there is a liquidity sweep, I'm thinking it may cross, it may go up to 22,602. It may go past this level and reach the level of 22,602. Sometimes even weekly high also be achieved within a single day. That has happened previously also. So be positive in the market until this level is not violated. 22,300 is not violated, and it should not go below that. Then the structure will be violated in the market. Thank you very much, friends. Nalakshi Swami signing off.